Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document in DocuSign before sending. Begin by logging into your DocuSign account and clicking New to send an envelope. Upload your document from your computer, cloud service, or an existing template. After selecting your document, add the email addresses and names of your recipients. Ensure you specify their role, such as needs to sign, for each person involved. This sets up the workflow for everyone. Once your document is uploaded, you will be taken to the tagging interface. From the standard fields palette on the left, drag and drop the necessary fields onto your document. For example, drag a signature tab and a date sign tab where you need them. Crucially, assign each field to the correct recipient, including yourself if you need to sign. This ensures that each person sees and interacts only with their designated areas, streamlining the signing process for everyone involved. To sign your own document before sending, navigate to the specific fields you assign to yourself. These will be highlighted, indicating your turn to interact. Click on each signature field. DocuSign will prompt you to adopt a signature style or draw your own. Select your preferred method, then click Adopt and sign. Repeat this for all your designated fields, such as initials or date, ensuring your portion is fully complete. This step is critical for sending a pre-signed document. Beyond just signatures, you might need to add other information. Use text boxes, company fields, or even checkboxes to fill in any additional details required from you as the sender. For instance, you could add your job title or a specific agreement date. Double-check that these fields are also assigned to you and are correctly filled out. Reviewing all your own entries ensures the document is complete on your end before it even reaches the other signers. This preparation saves time later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.